What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house, and today we have a mystery bowling ball. You'll see some lines on it, but absolutely no labels. And today I am going to try and guess which bowling ball this is just by throwing it. So I have all of the releases of the past year that we've come out with as a Brunswick team. I'm gonna try and weed down till I get just one, and hopefully I can match it up with this ball before confirming if I picked correct or incorrect with the R&D department. And my one ball just for comparison purposes, so let's get some warm-up shots in. Gotta take some things out of my pocket. One of my weaker bowling balls. As you see it, barely get the 4 out. No real opinion yet. It's stamped symmetric. I'm gonna throw it a couple more shots and maybe I'll be able to completely knock out all of the ASIMs, but they also could have changed the core in it. So I don't really know. I'm kinda hoping it's not this Tundra Fire, to be honest. Tundra Fire is pretty snappy down lane. Snappy. It ain't snappy when you try and throw it in the gutter. It's a little bit smoother of a ball. It feels almost like a solid ball right now. So I'm still trying to get, a little bit of a handle on almost what category it would fit in. Does it fit in the upper? Does it fit in the middle category? Does it fit in the low performance category? And we'll try and weed it down from there. But let me try and step right and rotate it and see what happens. If I step right, rotate it, and it still rolls pretty forward, I'm thinking I can't knock out the asymmetrical balls yet, but we'll give it a couple shots and see. So it's doing a pretty good job picking up in the middle of the lane. Pretty good. All right, this thing is one, a very good ball it looks like so far for me, and two, I don't think it's asymmetric. Usually asymmetric balls tend to roll a little more forward off the spot and not so sideways down lane. And this one's got a lot of continuation, which tells me it definitely is a symmetric ball. So knock out all of the ASIMs from that wall. It's definitely not this Tundra Fire. It's definitely not. Stronger and a little too smooth to be the Tundra Fire. So we've knocked out a good chunk of balls. I'm trying to decide still if it's a high end or if it's middle of the line, because as you guys can see, it's shiny right now. However, it might not have stayed shiny when they released it. They definitely could have taken the surface down on it, but I do think it's either the middle or a higher end ball. Oh, that's a terrible shot. No swear words on the channel. Shh. Oh, that's in. I'm striking with this ball. If they tested this ball in red and they came out with a different color that rolled better, I cannot imagine how good the other one rolls. I was thinking about like balls that I've drilled, like No Way It's a Troublemaker. I was involved in the testing process for that. My Ocean Vibe is so quick, so I don't think, I guess it could be like a solid or a Vibe that's a little smoother and hooks a little more than that Ocean Vibe. Hook. Ask and you shall receive, right? Let me know down below in the comments right now what you think this bowling ball is after these like probably 10 shots that I've thrown with it. This red one I cannot emphasize. I want to like stamp my own label on this ball, because if this, I mean, I guess the new one's gonna be even better than this, so. giving me a little misremember, so I do think it's in that middle of the line. Let me check the list. I think balls that it's still eligible to be, Knockout Bruiser, the Knockout Bruiser it could be. It could be an NV Tour Solid. It could be a GB4 Hybrid, but I'm not so sure it's as skid flippy as that. So we got about 5 contenders left. And I think like my top 3 of that list would be like the Knockout, the Deviate Chill, and the Vibe. So after like the really bad shot that I missed left, I'm thinking almost that it's either a Knockout, a Chill, or a Vibe. And I think my Knockout might have hooked from there, or at least hooked more in the middle of the lane. This is still, it's like a mid to mid lower end, feels solid-ish with some polish on it. That's so good. That's so good. If I could throw every shot like that, I would be a professional bowler. I'm thinking this mystery bowling ball is probably the Vibe. If I had to guess, I would say that it's the Vibe. That's a guess. My first 20 shots with the mystery bowling ball, we're converting high percentage on these. The Vibe for me is gonna be the final guess. And I'm gonna see how many I can string in a row. Currently at 4. And that's it. Just like that, it's over. With that being said, I'm gonna go check with Dan in the R&D department and see which bowling ball this actually is. All right, so my final guess on this bowling ball is that it is the Hammer Vibe. It's a solid color bowling ball. If it is, I can't wait to drill one because this red one was unbelievable, so I can't even imagine if the yellow one was better. I can't imagine how good it rolls compared to this. So fingers crossed that I guessed right. And if I did guess right, I can't wait to drill it. Let's go check with Dan and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Winner, winner, yeah! Which means, I guess I'm just that good. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And I can't wait to do a follow-up ball video on the Vibe. And I can't wait to get one in my hands because if the red one was this good, I can't imagine how good the one is that they chose. It's super bright. It's gonna be in that middle of the line, one of those balls that you can almost throw on every house shot everywhere you go. So I'm excited to get one in my hands and drill it up. And until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, if you like this video and you wanna watch other videos like this, click that subscribe button down below and maybe hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post videos here on The House Bowling. Thank you guys, and until next time, it's always a great day to have a great day. Peace.